Hi, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to read notes during Zoom presentation. Whether you want to see the other notes during the presentation or to share your own notes, here is how you can do it in a few steps. So first you need to get the app from Microsoft Store, from the website zoom.us/download, and then you just click on join, fill the blanks and join. Then you copy paste the link, the invite link, and then you are on the meeting. So just to set an example and just to show you how to read the notes during Zoom presentation, I will create a new meeting for you. Okay, start. Alright, and here we are. Alright, now here are two mini options. You will go into more 3 points and then click on notes. Here you can click on notes and then you as you can see here three choices that you can use or tools. Here is the search bar, modify and owned by anyone. You can change it to owned only by me or not owned by me and owned by the others, so you can see your own notes. Okay, to see the other notes, you and without yours, you must choose this option, not owned by me. And if you want to see everyone notes, you can click on owned by anyone, and here the notes will be listed. So during the presentation of the meeting, let's consider there is a presentation. So you just need to do these steps and then click on the notes to read them as well, and you will find anyone's notes right here, and you can read the notes during the presentation. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video with your beloved ones, and bye bye. See you in the next video.